Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Robin and I'm super excited to be coming to you guys today because if you've been rocking with me since back in September last year when I started this channel, you would have heard me talk about this. It's what I've been fantasizing about. I talk about it all the time. It is graduation. Yeah. So y'all listen. I have been waiting for this day my entire life. And because of Corona, my graduation is going to be virtual. It's going to be May 28th. And you guys are invited. But guess what? I decided that I was going to condense the past 5 years of my life into 1 week, bring you guys along. So my intention was to vlog every single day graduation week style. But that's not going to happen because it's already Tuesday today. And I did a photo shoot yesterday. And that was a success. Of course, you guys are gonna see snippets of that. Also, you're gonna see I had this bomb makeup artist. Oh my goodness, she is fire with a brush. So I'm gonna invite you guys to go check her out on Instagram. I am going to put her handle down below so you can go check her out. If you're living in Halifax, Nova Scotia, you will not regret it. She is the GOAT. Apart from that, guys, I also was excited because I was shortlisted for valedictorian. So I presented a valedictorian speech to the committee. I didn't win, but that's okay. I am grateful for the opportunity, and also I'm going to show you guys a little snippet of all that. So I am rumbling on because I'm super excited. Forgive me. I tend to rumble whenever I'm excited, so work with me out. But we're going to get this started by showing you guys how I prep my hair that's under this for this stage right here. Also, you guys need to check ElaLani Salon. If you're in the Halifax area, you need to check my girl Pearl. She's my sister, my ride or die. Check her out. She's the one that's responsible for Spicy right here. We call her Spicy because she's a nice spicy cute red. So I'm also going to put her information down below. And if you're following me on Instagram already, you would have seen a lot of the pictures. So if you're not following me on Insta, what you doing with your life? I'm going to leave my information down below and you need to let's connect on Instagram because it's super lit over there. All right. So I'm going to stop rambling now and I'm just going to jump right into how I prep my hair for this. And let me tell y'all, it may seem like hard work, but it was super effortless going from this disaster, this dry mess, to this. So let's go. Come on with. This week's inspiration comes from 1 John chapter 4 verse 7, and it says, "Beloved, let us love one another, for love is of God, and everyone that loveth is born of God and knoweth God. Anyone who loves is a child of God and knows God." So guys, in my last video, I showed you how I pre-poo my hair overnight using my fave aloe vera juice along with an arrangement of oil. I've recently upped my pre-poo game to my version of the Cardi B hair mask, which I absolutely love. Comment down below and let me know if you'd like me to do a video on how I prepare and apply that mask. But the night before, I applied it to my hair, and I'm just going to quickly show you what my hair looks like the next day with the mask still in it. I decided to give myself a bentonite clay treatment. And here, I'm just quickly showing you guys how I prepared it. So I grabbed myself a glass bowl. The clay I'm using is the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret brand. Then I grabbed myself some apple cider vinegar with the mother. The last thing I needed was a plastic spoon for mixing. Now it's important that you use either plastic or glass bowl and spoon for mixing your clay. I'll repeat that again. Always use a glass or plastic bowl. Never ever ever use metal. Bentonite clay has a pH that ranges somewhere between 8.3 and 9.1. Now this is a very high, which is why in my opinion, apple cider vinegar or lemon juice is ideal for balancing this pH. Additionally, when the clay comes in contact with metal, it absorbs the metal particles, which will in turn weaken the strength of the clay, making it less effective.
I can get nervous when I got no reason to be. It's just I still can't believe that.
I basically eyeballed the measurements and mixed until I achieved a yogurt-like consistency. Then I applied it to my hair at the roots and gently massaged it into my scalp before making my way down to the ends of my hair. Now, bentonite clay is also great for the skin, which is why I also applied it to my face.
Over all the little things, and I don't think that you notice when I catch you staring.
So, real one, I just realized that the video started. You guys are enjoying it, and I did not ask you to subscribe. Can I ask you to please stop what you're doing, go on down below right there, and hit that subscribe button for me? Ugh, I flipped my hair for that. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, y'all. It's free. We're making it free because of graduation, okay? So hit the button. Okay.
With you.
Now it's time for me to install Spicy, and I'm super excited for this. Now this lady that's about to do the magic is my sister. Her name's Pearl. She is the owner and head stylist of ElaLani Hair Salon. Now y'all, to say she is great with hair is probably one of the biggest understatements you'll ever hear. She is freaking amazing. I'll link her information down below so you guys can go check her out. She is not only an amazing stylist, but she is a gem, the sweetest person you'll ever meet.
I'm a little too much, don't really know why. I can be a lot, but you don't seem to mind. Baby, you're so different, 'cause others wouldn't even try. Nobody ever took the time. I get way too in my head about everything I do, figuring out what to say, 'cause it's so new. But you've been so patient, and I appreciate it. Wish I didn't get like this, and I don't know why I overthink like I do. But it all seems to go away when I'm with you.
Alright, y'all, so thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you so much for watching day 1 of graduation week with a twist. I hope you liked it. Comment down below, let me know what part of today's video you liked the best. Tell me if you're feeling the hair, if you're feeling the look. Tell me if you are repping class 2021. Let's talk down in the comment section, y'all. Y'all already know that I like interacting with you. So let's talk down below. See you tomorrow for day 2. And live your blessed life. Bye, guys.
To believe I'm something special, can't take that from me.